Yo, they have that here? I can't even believe what I'm seeing right now. This is so awesome. What's up, guys? We are back at it again.
Back at it again.
And what are we doing today?
Today we are getting on the world's largest cruise ship.
Yes, sir. So this cruise ship, like right behind us, is 4 football fields long by 1 football field wide. That is huge.
This ship has 29 dining options, 11 bars, and 8 different neighborhoods.
And a whole ass park. You ready to go?
I'm so ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready.
All right, let's go. Let's go throw our bags down and get on the ship. I don't know if you guys can see that, but all the way over there, there's 2 little people. That's AK filming a TikTok. To get our pictures, and we got a live band. I love the fact that the boarding passes are on your phone. It's so nice. Here we go, Laura.
Let's go.
Almost there. Boom. We're on the ship. Hello. Wow. Look at this. Guys, this ship is, holy crap.
This feels like a dream. Oh my God, do you see the little
Oh, you can see Central Park
skylight?
right there.
That's neat.
Do you see this whole number pad thing on the elevator?
I like it.
Deck 16 is if you ever have any questions, Deck 16 is the Abyss, Water Slides on 15, Kids Club, Central Park.
I didn't even realize
Boardwalk.
that part.
How awesome is that?
Okay, I like it, Picasso.
And it's all touchscreen. Like, I'm gonna send it back down to 4. See, look at that. That's really cool. So just want to let you guys know, before you do anything, before we continue with this vlog, make sure you hit subscribe and like below if you want to see any other content from Wonder of the Seas, because we are bringing you guys all the fresh content first. But yes, make sure you hit subscribe down below, like this video, share it so people know that are going to go on Wonder later, they can see what it's like.
And we have an Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook as well. So those links will be down below. And we'll have real-time live updates on Instagram. So we may or may not have just done something kind of bad.
Yes, but I need to put that computer down. So we just went to our room.
Take a look at this beautiful ship. We are up on deck 16. We got the little kid area over here, Central Park right here. One of many pools.
Oh yeah, look behind you. There's another part of Central Park right here.
Oh my God. We gonna go find the water slides?
Oh yeah, 100%.
I truly cannot comprehend the size of this ship right now. Not even a little bit. So I don't know if you guys can see that. Like right there. But we have found a Kyle.
A Kyle Palo, let's go check him out.
In the wild. There he is.
Hey, y'all look great.
This is how
Thanks.
YouTubers greet each other.
I know, you have a mic.
Yep, we're professionals now.
Official.
Okay. I already booked the mason jar.
Oh shoot, we're about to head downstairs and book some restaurants because we missed it on Ovation. We're gonna try to get everything booked.
And we heard there's already a long line to book Mason Jar.
Yes, so we're about to head down there right now. It's Friday, my dudes. Look at this ship. Central Park's right there. I can't wait to go out there.
I feel like we're in like a skyscraper in downtown Atlanta right now.
I can't get over this. So a little fun fact, if you guys did not know, you can go to pretty much any restaurant and book a reservation for any restaurant on the ship. So like the line is super long for like Mason Jar right now. So we're going to Hook to see if we can book all our other reservations.
There's still a line, but it's not as bad.
So once you get there, Laura. Oh, nice, they're giving out champagne?
Yeah, for free.
Oh, really?
For free.
I need to go get one. Thank you, thank you. We found Jordan. Thank you. It's so good. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta hug you again. Cheers to a good cruise, baby. So something just happened to us, which was not kind of fair, to be honest with you, but let me explain. Laura and I just stood in the hibachi line for like over an hour to get a reservation.
Just to get a reservation.
Yes. I'm out of breath. I've been running up and downstairs. We got a reservation, and the people in line were taking reservations over the phone instead of the people that are in line, and they sold all the reservations out, so there's no hibachi on the ship
there's
anymore.
none for the rest of the cruise.
Like, what? There's like a long line of people just waiting to get reservations, and you take them over the phone rather than the people in the line? Like, say, hello, please hold. Let's go get a drink. I need a drink.
The biggest drink that they have available.
Hopefully they have bucket drinks on here. So tip number 1, never take the elevators on the boarding day. You will never get one. Everyone just takes the elevators. Laura, please tell me, how is it cooler out in the sun outside than it is inside the ship right now?
So much better out here. Like, I was dying waiting in line to make a reservation at a Zoomies.
Yes, and we couldn't do it. But we're about to go get our first drink of the wonder, other than the champagne, obviously.
Look at these like fake stone benches.
Are they bench? Oh, I guess they're just barriers, but you can use them as benches.
Everything on this ship is like very
Brand new?
unique from
Oh,
brand new. From everything that we've ever seen on other ships. So yeah.
Do you want to do the honors?
As tradition.
As tradition.
As tradition, I can't open it.
There we go. Platinum, baby. All right, let's go.
Do
Tap it on the
it.
door and let's go.
Boom.
That's so nice.
Oh,
I got it for you. There you go.
let's go. Oh.
So we ran down and put our stuff in here already. That's why there's...
Stop it. Look.
Oh, look at that.
Oh my god.
Wow. Wow. We're influencers. That's dope.
Oh my god, stop.
We got a Central Park view balcony instead of the ocean because it's a little bit more expensive, but we never also had it. Let's just do a quick room tour. Well, hello there. You want to come on in? Last time I saw you, you were in Bermuda. Come on in, let me show you this cabin. This brand new cabin nobody's ever, paying customers never been in. Come on over here. We'll start off with the bathroom. Oh, that's a nice hefty door. You come in, it's just like every other bathroom. As I said on Ovation, the glass shower curtain. But it's pretty,
shower curtain.
it's pretty big. Like
You can fit a whole man in there and
yeah,
you
and I
can
can
sit
like,
around.
I don't hit it, which is nice. And you come over here out of the bathroom. First, we have the thermostat. It's not digital, but you can push it all the way down. Oh, it is digital, but you can set it all the way to cold. And then behind that is a pretty nice sized closet with a lot of hangers.
Oh wow, that's the most hangers I've ever seen.
So if this is what hangers look like on the cruise ship, a lot of people still hangers then because this is what it looks like brand new. There's a lot of hangers. Come over here. Come over here. You have the desk, outlets galore. We have some drawers over here, our refrigerator, which is really nice. Come over here, another storage area.
Another one. This one has no hangers.
And then there's a safe. You guys know the drill. Oh, look at this, look at this. They have a Wi-Fi router, like the repeater to help you with your Wi-Fi in your room. I think they're in every room.
That's so nice.
So your Wi-Fi internet should be perfectly fine on this cruise. King, queen, royal king, I don't know. Big bed pushed together. If you don't like it, you can have both of them separated and the little nightstands in the middle. Then over here.
Check out these ombre curtains though.
Oh, I didn't even notice that. That's dope.
They're beautiful.
And then we come out here, and this is the Central Park balcony. Like it's hard to believe that all these plants down here are real. There's over 20,000 plants here. Look at that.
Look at this beautiful view.
Look, Laura, right above the room we have the water slide.
That's so neat.
All right, let's go get a drink. We found the best bar. It has a shade over it. You guys can tip it up. And it's just like we have music in the background. Like back there, there's like a whole band. And then over here, there's a guy named Jojo. He's acting like he doesn't see us. I don't know what his deal is, but he's literally right there. But,
Jojo.
so yeah, see, he's just, the fact that I can get a drink in the shade, best thing ever.
What's up, my dude?
Hey, look, we knew this guy before he's at 150-something thousand or 60,000 or whatever.
What's up?
What's up? You too.
What's up?
If you guys don't know, this is JoJo's World.
Good to see you. Long time no see.
I know.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, my bad. There you go.
How are you doing, guys?
Pretty good. How are you?
Good.
So we're just like chilling at the bar, and guess who walks up to us right now? We got Hoffman Happy Travels hanging up. But so glad to see you guys again.
Yes, likewise.
And you guys hit like 10K recently.
Yes.
didn't you?
Yes.
You're like
Yes.
above it now. Yeah.
Yes, that's awesome. We're gonna be there. We're so close. So hopefully we can hit it in the next month or two, and then we can be in the 10K club.
Yes.
We're gonna do a big 10K hug.
Follow that fun stuff. Get them there.
It'll probably happen tomorrow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I think so.
Look who we found. Look at these guys. Look at these. Hey guys. Hey.
What's up?
I have not ever been in here, like in a solarium like this. Like it's fully covered. It feels like a dome. It's nuts. It's nuts. I'm loving this. We're about to go find AK because they don't know we're coming, but I'm really excited. This is the best solarium I've ever been in my life. What do you think about this solarium?
This feels like an IMAX theater or something. I don't even know.
This is like a whole new vibe. Like it's just open, like so open.
I can tell you one thing. I'm gonna be down here with Jared and Jordan in the hot tub a lot.
There's an elephant. There's literally an elephant in the room.
Shut up.
But like seriously, like what is life right now? Look at this hot tub area. Like this is crazy. They even have chairs in the water. Look at this. This is the best solarium I've ever seen in my life. Oh my gosh. You see this?
What?
Exactly.
We're living here.
Yes.
We're living here.
Yes, we're never getting off the ship.
We got ourselves a little afternoon snack at El Loco Fresco. I got a chicken quesadilla and a cheese quesadilla.
Yeah, boy, got some tacos, some fresh tacos. It looks like they make these tortillas fresh. So I got fresh tortilla with some chicken, lettuce, salsa, and then something in pico de gallo. I'm about to go in. I'm about to smash. We're just kind of like eating our tacos and like drinking, and we kind of just ran into these two people.
These people came up to us with giant cameras.
So why haven't you guys hit the thumbs up button yet? We can see that on the back end. We see the analytics. Subscribe to TravelSpree. We see you.
Click the button.
Click the button.
Do you see who just rolled up on us?
The one and
Look at
only.
What's up, guys? I can't wait to hang out with you guys later this week.
can't wait either. You guys gonna be up at the party with the with?
Of course.
Of course. I'm so glad they're having a party again.
I know, man.
If you guys don't know these people, are you guys Griffin and Alyssa? Are you guys? Oh, sorry.
When did that happen? Yo, first off,
Oh, nice ND filter.
first off,
Yes.
What? Oh!
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we kind of had everyone's stuff in the room just to be like, let's have the best week ever. Cruiser and JT, we're hanging out with Rob and Kuga. Ship Life is over there. Tony's over there. Don's right there. Everybody's here.
Yes, everybody.
There's Tony. Everybody's here. Everyone's like lined up for the sail away right now. You got Rich and Jazz in the house with Rain and Royce. How awesome is that? Oh, I'm loving the outfits. They did blow the horn and we are about to go, baby. The cruise has finally started. They got these water cannons going with the tugboat to say like the official first sailing, which is awesome. You see what I see?
I didn't even notice it at first. I was like, where did we go?
It's so subtle. We're about to head to the Boardwalk,
It is
baby.
so subtle.
Look at Laura taking photos over here.
Oh, wouldn't that be cool if they had one of these
Oh yeah, like the big, that'd be scary though.
swings? Stop. This is beautiful in person.
I haven't seen one of these in forever. They have a Zoltar arcade, full-size carousel, hot dog.
I feel like we just got onto a whole different ship.
Yes, this has a different vibe. It's so quiet down here too.
Should we get a hot dog? You know what? First day of the cruise, there's no line for the doghouse, so I'm gonna get a hot dog. Classic smoked bratwurst, Sicilian pork sausage. Look at all these options. Thank you.
They legit have a whole ass carousel. We have to hit up the playmakers before we get off the ship. Hopefully once or twice. I'm so excited. And then they right across to the Johnny Rockets. I feel like I'm never gonna eat in the main dining room. Maybe tonight, I don't know. And then we have the Aqua Theater. How does that go down into the ground and form a pool? And they just dive from off of here into the water. I think this might be my favorite ship.
Finally heading into Central Park.
This is awesome.
It's beautiful.
It's a little loud, but it's awesome.
Yeah, it is a little loud. I'm ready to sit down for a little bit.
Yes.
Have some food, just like relax.
Exactly.
It's been a very fun
Exciting.
but very long day.
I really hope you guys have been enjoying this whole like ship tour walk around, seeing everyone like that, because this has been like a really good day. So if you have, make sure you subscribe down below. Make sure you hit that like button and then share with people, because this is the first sailing and people want to see, your friends want to see. So please share this video. If you're new to our channel, make sure you hit subscribe. Let's go eat, baby. How's it feel to take a load off?
Guys, I don't know what's wrong. My back hurts so bad today, but sitting down in this chair by the water
Boom. Look at that.
in the actual corner of the main dining room.
Yeah, like look at this. Look at this. Back corner, little alley. Come back here, a little secret spot.
Isolated, and I like it.
It's nice and like quiet back here. I keep saying quiet in this vlog, but it's so nice. We are ready for some noms.
I will say this dining room is nice because to me, and we'll show you guys later, it's kind of like a mix between like the classic and new styles of dining rooms. Ovation was kind of like closed off and just like, but like the styles were nice. Whereas like Mariner, other ships, it's like more classic and like kind of like out of style a little bit, but like open and beautiful. and this feels like both at the same time. So I do like it a lot. What did you just say to me?
I said I did not order a lot of food.
No, you said, did you notice how I didn't get a lot of food?
Sorry, do you notice how I didn't get a lot of food?
And what did you order?
So I ordered a Caesar salad and a shrimp cocktail. That's a salad and 5 shrimp.
So 2 appetizers.
It's only 5 shrimp. It's like, you eat it like that.
All right.
Then I got spaghetti bolognese, and then a side of mashed potatoes, because I mean, come on, mashed potatoes. And then a peach cobbler. I only got one thing.
This absolutely kills me because to him on a cruise, that's not a lot of food. Because he normally orders like 2 full entrees and like 3 appetizers.
Why are you gonna put me on blast?
Because it killed me. You were just like, did you notice how I didn't, like, I was supposed to be proud of you.
I was proud.
Did you notice how I didn't order a lot of food?
Anyways, I gotta edit tonight, and I wasn't trying to get myself full, so I'll go to sleep.
You're not gonna be full after that?
No.
After 2 appetizers, spaghetti bolognese,
5
a side of
shrimp.
mashed potatoes, and a dessert.
See, if you say it like that,
And we had pizza earlier.
why are you putting my business
I love
out there?
you.
'Cause every time we order a lemon drop shot, they always bring us martinis, lemon drop martinis. So we just gotta chug these, as is tradition. Cheers. Cheers.
Know when your body feels so tired.